So this is my sexy man making the dinner. The Kaz family, making the dinner. And we're just drinking some red wine. What are you making for us, Eoskling?
You see?
This is called what? Ooh, smells good.
Yeah.
What is the name?
Is Mirzarasami.
Mirzarasami.
Yes.
Say it, baby. It looks sexy when you're saying.
Mirzarasami.
Mirzarasami. And this one is rice.
Rice. Saffron rice.
Saffron rice, So, oh God, I'm switching on the line. So this, I prayed for a man to God. God delivered. Hey, Father, I dip you in the blood of Jesus. No one will take this man from me. We will grow old, baby. All together. Look at the sexy man cooking for the girlfriend. She's here with Visca's collar. Hey, when God answers prayers, Father, glory, we are chewing all this and we give you glory, Baba. Hey. And he's a kisser. Hey, Father. Oh.